Guys, get ready with me! That's all I need for my face.
Okay, so this is what it is. Okay, so this, I'm using Stila concealer. So, this is what I'm gonna do. I hide all my scars. Because it's embarrassing. And it's just crazy when you think about it. Sorry the lighting. Because we are not rich to buy all that products. As long as you can see what you're about to see, that's all that matters. Well, I have a big pimple right there. Okay. I was gonna put my, what do you call that? My alcohol toner from Neutrogena, but I don't feel like doing it. Who cares? This is my face. I'm worrying about my face. Okay, so that's how you do it. We're just gonna watch movies, so I don't need to be pretty. But of course, me and Poi are going to watch. We are going to watch, so we're gonna watch the Fast Five, okay? So now, I'm going to use these. These are one of my favorite. Because it's like, I'm used to use a product, right? So that's there. Right? Put it underneath. Right? That's just how I do. And who gives up? I'm just being myself. And I look like a scarecrow right now. Oops, I put too much. Right? Trying to get rid of this shit in my face. Alright. Alright, so what's for my lips is Sephora. Sephora, it's 2014 EA. And this is, I think this is like pink, something like pink. Okay. Oops, sorry. Awkward. Like I said, anybody gets time for lip liner. So yeah. And it's just crazy to think about it. And I'll just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to use my Carbon Intense from L'Oreal. Alright, that's it. Because I just want to have, like my eyes supposed to be like, it has everything there. I just want to be like that to make it simple. And it's crazy when you think about it. And now what I'm going to do is, I'll brush my eyebrows. Oh, eyebrows is really hard to gel with. Because I like mine to be like, all high and messy. So I am using my Smashbox makeup with everything, and I use this brush, like an angle brush, and this color I'm going to use either this one or that one. Right, let's start. I just want to make it simple. Everything's wrong. And this color I'm going to use for my crease and to make it, you know, it doesn't look like you put your cream roll in or whatever. I am wearing my favorite sweater, Coco and 9. I love wearing these, I don't know why. Alright, so I'm going to wear my earrings, Charlotte Rouge, whatever. And I know Poi has the same thing, because that's how we roll. Same earrings. Alright, so I don't need nothing special for my hair. Tease it. I don't really tease my hair. Right. And alright, so this is how I do it, my messy bun. Right. Put bobby pins. Whatever. So that's my look for the day. Bye! Thank you for watching, and ignore the mess in the back.